We're blowing our inflatables, right, Hamoon?
This one's gonna take really long.
Oh, yeah.
It's gonna take 30 minutes.
Where are we going today, guys?
The beach!
Woo!
Let's go to the beach. Let's go beach.
Homie, are you good?
Yeah.
You just stood right in front of the camera.
Guys, this was supposed to be a flamingo, but we cut it off because it was not. It had a pop in it. And then we have this seashell.
Okay, let's go clean out the trunk so we could fit this. I don't know if it's gonna fit, honestly. Sophia! Tifflan, look. Yeah, go, go, go.
Ready?
Go. 1, 2, go. Woo! They did it. I got it. Oh my God.
I'm gonna make a cannonball.
Malak, Sophia. Hi. Malak, stay here, yeah? You have to put water on the sand. Because if you don't put water, it won't build a castle for you.
Give me the buckets. Let me go get wet sand. Okay.
Malak, you guys.
About the way to move a wall.
Come on, Sophia, put it.
You want it?
Just put it right there.
Look what I found.
Oh, that's glass. No, let go. Okay.
Well, me and Hamoud want to dig all the way into sand.
Damn, come on.
At least it'll work. And then like a little chop. Can you bury me now? I'll do it. Why does it keep on disappearing then? Because it goes down in the ground. Because it goes forward.
What are you trying to build?
I just need to let the water go all the way down so I can take the thing out. Oh, sorry. Who wiped my face? Who wiped my face? Having my cootie.
Sophia's just straight chillax chilling. sit with Noella.
Look!
What'd you guys?
We got We're getting to the water coming.
Let me see.
You see the water coming?
Pull me. Let me see, guys. Wow. Damn, they all put their heads in there. Sophia.
You can't see. Do I see? I want to see my
Oh wow, that's pretty deep, y'all.
We want to go deep so much in so we can stand in there. I moved the bubble that you can breathe in. It was so cold down there.
Yeah. Oh wow. That's a seashell. Really? Look at Sophia. What?
That's one game in this seashell.
Aww.
Put it in your purse.
Okay.
I went a little deeper. Mom, swimming right down there.
Hi, Muhammad. Malak, try to bury him in there.
No! But we're gonna run the hole! After the hole!
You want them to?
You fit in there too! Me? Go, water. Yes! Dig it!
The mama في يجورة كيف أنا بتشاهد يعني شوفي
Go split! I want to go and get wet sand.
Go run in the water, run in the water.
Look it!
Oh my
I
gosh.
like a sand.
Look at your hair. Oh my God. Sophia, snack break, mama. Are you having a fun day?
The sun is starting to go down.
Snack time, boys? Getting hungry?
Guys, the sunset is really nice and we just saw fireworks.
Yeah. Because what's tomorrow?
4th of July.
Yeah.
I'm ready to leave. Help me!
Malak şu. Malak.
It doesn't come on top of me again.
Wow.
Another one. Wow, that one is pink. Mommy.
No.
Look at the ones that go like this. This is a whole show for me.
Hi, Sophia.
What of July 2020, let's go!
It's 3rd of July. Hi,
It's the 3rd of
Anna.
July.
Moody. Hamoud jumping up and down. It's okay. Bubba.
Somebody.
Oh!